Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you guys how to use AI tools to create a faceless YouTube videos within 5 minutes. And if you stay consistent in making this type of video using AI tools and uploading it on YouTube channel, you can make up to $2,000 a month. And the amazing thing about this AI side also is that it's easy to execute, so you don't need experience before you can get started. Stick with me because I will show you how to create this kind of videos with AI in just 5 minutes. And sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so that key money online videos that I upload on this channel, and then sure you watch through the end so that you won't miss any of the steps that I will show you in this video on how to create faceless YouTube videos. Now to write the script, I will be using ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it is the generative AI tool and it's very easy to use. Check the link in the description. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write you a script for a YouTube idea that you have in mind. For example, I will ask ChatGPT to write a full 5-minute YouTube script for a video about the top 5 ways to stay in shape. As you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing and it's writing out the full script for us. For the AI revolution, writing a video script for faceless YouTube videos usually took a lot of time, but with AI tools like ChatGPT, everything can be done in a matter of minutes. So it's really nice that we have these two available to shorten the time it takes to create your YouTube video script. Another important thing you have to check is to make sure you use paraphrasing tool to rewrite the content to avoid plagiarism flagged by Google. You can check the video on how to avoid plagiarism on AI generated content in the description below. Now ChatGPT has done its thing and created the full YouTube script for us. If you want more details on any of the ways, you could do that by asking ChatGPT to expand the paragraph for you. As you can see, it's really easy for you to expand your content with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to expand it as much as you like and then remove any content which you don't want to include within that video. The next step is to copy the script and head over to another AI tool called Pictory.AI. Pictory is going to be the tool we'll be using to turn our script to video. Pictory is one of the AI tool you can use and they make it very easy to use. It is my favorite. The interface is not complicated, and if you are using a free account, you can create 3 free videos per day. There's a link in the description for a free trial of Pictory if you want to try it out. So once you are on Pictory, there are many ways you can turn your content into videos. You can use scripts or text to videos. You can edit your videos using article link to videos or you do visual to videos. But for this example, we'll be using the script or text to video template. Click proceed and enter the name of your video and paste the full generated script of your YouTube videos right here. You can also do spell check as well. Once you have pasted your script and then proceed. The next step is to select the template you want for your video. Pictory offers a wide range of video templates to choose from, such as animated, live action and whiteboard templates. For example, let's say we have selected the animated template. You can customize the video with our brand color and change the footage to suit the sense of each caption. The next step is to add music and sound effects to your videos. It has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can choose from. Although if you have your own music or sound effects that you don't like to use, you can upload them here and use them. Once you have added your music and sound effects, you can preview your videos and make any final edits for exporting it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process. Once your video is exported, you can then upload it to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice. If you stay consistent in doing this, you can earn at least $1,000 a month if your YouTube is monetized, and it will take time for you YouTube to monetize. Finally, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating an engaging script for YouTube videos and other content. Using ChatGPT and Pictory can save you a lot of time and effort in creating high quality YouTube videos. So give it a try and see how it can help you create more engaging professional videos for your channels. And with this AI, to make a YouTube video is very easy. Go and try it out and make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video if this content was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.